Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create email templates and send email by using Salesforce standard functionality. Now imagine you are a sales representative, okay? So every day you need to send some emails like welcome emails, follow-up emails, product information emails, thank you emails, support response emails. Would you type these emails again and again? Probably not, right? Because every time we need to type, we made lot of mistakes. So that's why Salesforce provides email templates. Using email templates, we can create an email once and reuse it hundreds of times or even thousands of times. Same email templates. So let's learn how actually it will work. So first we need to understand what is email templates. So in here, I will click on 9.app launcher and search like email templates. I will search like email templates. I open that object. In Salesforce, we have something like email templates. It's a standard object. It is officially provided by the Salesforce. So then what is email templates? An email template is a pre-designed email format that can be reused whenever we need it. So instead of manually typing all the mail content every time, Salesforce automatically loads the already prepared email. In real-time business scenario, so without email template, what actually happens? For example, currently I will open lead object. So in this lead object, I open one of the record. So what I will do, in the right side activity history tab, I have something like email. So if I click on that, automatically this page will be open. So without email template, what I need to do? Without email template, I need to enter everything manually like welcome to Salesforce. Again, I need to thanks for interest in our product. Like this. Same content I need to enter manually for each person. So in that time, it will very time consuming and also sometimes some text or the format will be goes wrong. So if I click on send, automatically this mail is sent to customer. For example, if I open that mail, I am getting that email in my Outlook. You can see I am getting that mail. But it is not a good approach because every time when a sales representative send a mail, you need to enter all the mails manually. It will not a good approach. Then with the template, how actually it will work. So if you simply click on this and we insert one template, automatically click on send button, it will works. We don't need to write anything. Only one click, everything will works fine. Why we use email templates? So email templates helps us in saving times, maintain consistency, reduce typing error, improve productivity, standard customer communication. In common business use cases like when sales team send to welcome mail, product information or follow-up mail, in that time we will go with email templates. So then how we can create? We will create one sample email template now and we need to send that. We will check how actually it will work. For example, what I will do, I will simply click on 9.app launcher. In here, I will search like email templates. So in here, what I will do, I will create new folder for all my email templates like lead related email. Then click on save. So I created one folder just now with the name of lead related emails. Now I will try to create new email template. So now what I will do, I will simply click on this button like new email template. So once you click on that, you will get this window. In here, you need to enter the email template name. I will enter like lead inquiry email. So then description I will enter like send mail. In subject I will enter like thanks for the inquiry in our product. So then we need to enter the body of the email. What I will do? So in HTML value, I need to enter the actual email template body. So currently I copy some template from the cloud. So I paste here. So then simply click on save. I don't insert any fields. So just simply general email template I inserted. I just write some text in here. Okay. How we can check this? So go to lead object. Go to any one of the user. So in here, you simply click on email. So we need to insert that template this body. So how we can insert? In here we are saying like insert, create or update email templates. That option we have. So you simply click on that. So we can see lead inquiry email template in here. So if you simply click on that, automatically that body is come to here, and also subject is also set. Also preview the mail before sending. If you click on that eye icon, automatically the mail will be previewed to you. So then close. Then I will send this mail. Now the email is sent it successfully. So how we can check? In here I get that complete email. But this email I don't include any field values. I just one sample general email I include. But I want to include some fields or some field values. So how we can include? So simply go to your Salesforce application, click on 9.app launcher, email templates. So open email templates. So I don't change anything in lead inquiry email. I will create new email template. So in here, I will enter the email template name like lead welcome mail. I will enter the description like when lead is created, I need to send this welcome mail. So then subject is I will enter like thank you for inquiry, and I need to include the first name. So how we can include three flower bracket, then recipient dot first name. So this will be include the applicant or the lead first name. Okay. So then we need to go to HTML value. So in here I paste that particular text. It will include the field value. In the email template, you need to go with this format. So this will include the value which is present in that particular field. This is a standard thing. In this I include first name, last name, company, email, phone number. If you want to include any values that present in any field, you need to write that thing in email template like this. So then only it will automatically include or automatically load when you insert this email template. Once your email body is done, you simply click on save. So now the email template is ready. Now we need to check with lead object. So how we can check? Go to lead object, go to details, simply click on that email template, and in here I will insert that particular lead welcome mail. So once I insert, automatically it will look like this. So if you click on preview, you will get all these details. In here, dear Manjunath means it's a first name. So this is the company name, email ID, phone number. Everything is automatically Salesforce load while sending the mail. So if you simply click on cancel, then click on send. Now that particular email also will store in activity history, and customer also get that particular email with all the details. So instead of entering their name and details by one, you simply create this email templates, then reuse whenever you want like this. I hope you understand these things completely. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.